Welcome to Phillip Highlights. I'm Amelia, and I will be serving you the latest news of the week. Your news, our business. Services and manufacturing PMI figures in the US improved to 53.8, an 11-month high, and 49.1, a 5-month high, respectively in March. The positive developments in both sectors reflect the resiliency of the US economy despite elevated inflationary levels. We believe that the Fed will raise interest rates by another 25 basis points to 5.25% in their meeting on 20th of May and then pause the rate hike in line with the market's expectations. The Fed will need to balance containing inflation and managing financial system stability. Across the globe, Eurozone manufacturing PMI was at a 4-month low level of 47.1 in March. Pessimism among European manufacturers continued due to tightening monetary policy and elevated inflationary pressures. On the flip side, services PMI surged to a 10-month high of 55.6 attributed to low jobless rates and increased tourism activity. This indicates that overall growth in the region remained modest and was driven solely by the service sector. If services PMI continues to remain strong, it may hold up core inflation and lead the European Central Bank to stay on a tightening path. China will maintain a certain level of economic expansion as it speeds up the transition towards higher quality growth. Chinese state media quoted Premier Li Qiang as saying on 27th of March, "Global economic development is in a complex period and countries should build consensus and strengthen cooperation," Li said during a meeting with global business executives on the sidelines of the China Development Forum in Beijing. We believe that the outlook for China's economy will remain robust. Malaysia's Producer Price Index, which measures price changes faced by domestic producers of goods and services, decreased by 0.8% year-on-year in February, compared to a growth of 1.3% in January due to the base effect and lower commodity prices. Looking ahead, we foresee lower cost pressures for Malaysia's producers, especially with lower global commodity prices and easing global supply chain pressure, particularly with the reopening of China and better supply of labor and materials globally. While this year is expected to be more favorable for investment than the previous year, it is important to stay watchful for any market volatility. PhillipCapital Malaysia provides a comprehensive list of products, including discretionary private managed accounts and unit trusts that are offered to retail investors, high-net-worth individuals, corporations, and institutions. Whether you want to DIY, seek for advice, or let the expertise fully handle your portfolio, our platform can cater to your needs and preferred way to achieve your financial goals. That's all for today. Stay tuned for the next Phillip Highlights. This update is brought to you by PhillipCapital, your partner in finance.